The reason I love hardwood so much is because it's kind of a forever floor. I mean, you can always tear it out and put something else down, but you can also refinish it and make it new again. Hi, this is Adam with Boise Hardwood Flooring. Today we're working on a mountain grade Brazilian cherry floor. We're prepping it to stain it and refinish it. The sanding here is the first step. This floor is around 600 square feet, probably about 10 years old. Normally we like to go with the grain when we're sanding a floor on a rough sand, although in a hallway or a bathroom we're not able to fit that large machine in there to go with the grain. So we put a finer grit and typically go diagonal just to remove the finish, and then we'll go with the edger and sand it with the grain before we run a buffer across it. This customer opted to not have plastic hung. Well, to get it flat, you really have to know how to use the equipment. It takes quite a bit of practice and experience to be able to operate one in all the different conditions. This is a Clark Floor Crafter. It's an 8-inch drum sander hooked up to 220 volts. If the person operating the sander doesn't know what they're doing, they can leave lines and swirls and all kinds of noticeable marks in the floor, especially if it's getting stained. Yeah, it's really easy to mess up a floor with the belt sander or the edger sander. It took me 2 or 3 years to get good. I'm removing this tack strip so that we can sand along that carpet edge. So when you're setting a staple, it's easiest if you hit it in the middle. Well, in order to get all of the finish off and to take the stain evenly, we have to hit every square inch of the floor, including the rounded over areas, because the stain won't soak in if there's finish still. I'm buffing the floor with a sanding screen, 100 grit. Takes out all the lines from the belt sander. I'm on every job so that I can assure the quality that I stand by. I'm thinking about how much the customer is going to love their floor.